Secura 4-liter, 4.2 QT, extra-large capacity 1500-watt electric hot air fryer and additional accessories, recipes, toaster rack and skewers. The Secura 4.2 quart, 4-liter, electric hot air fryer uses hot air in combination with high-speed air circulation, rapid hot air, and a top grill to prepare a variety of tasty dishes in a healthy, fast and easy way. Extra-large 4.2 quart, 4-liter, basket, more capacity than most other air fryers. Create healthier food by using less grease in your cooking with the hot air cooking method. 60-minute cooking timer with auto shut-off when your food is done. Heating and power indicator lights. Variable temperature control 180 degrees 390 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you total control over the food you are cooking. Accessories included with the Secura Hot Air Fryer for extra versatility recipes, BBQ rack and skewers. 2-year manufacturer's limited warranty, only for use with North American Electrical Standards 120V 1500W extra large 4.0-liter capacity.